Hey y'all, and welcome to the video, and thank you guys so much for watching today. I have a very exciting glossy box to unbox for you guys. This is actually the men's box from Glossybox, which is one of their limited edition box, and I'm so excited to show you guys. This is the grooming kit, okay? And it's limited edition for November of 2021, and I feel like my chair is sinking. Hold on. As I was saying, this is limited edition for November of 2021. Perfect gift for the holiday season to gift your man. I'm going to unbox this and show you everything, and then I'm going to play a little clip for you guys at the end of the video of me giving it to my boyfriend when he gets off work so he can be like, oh, what is this? And let me just tell you, his reaction is going to be like, cool, I don't care. And then give it after he takes a shower, then he's going to be like, hey, so, how do I do this? That's how he is. And my chair, I feel like it just keeps lowering. This is so annoying. Okay. But anyways, I'm very excited to get into this, so you guys can, gift some boxes to your mans, or if you want to gift it to somebody who isn't a man, it's whatever. So yeah, that is it. Let's get into this video. Give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoy. Don't forget to subscribe. It would mean so much, especially if you're already watching. And yeah, let's go ahead and get into the video. Okay, so here's my little card to tell you all of the products coming in here. So excited. Okay, woo, okay. Let's just go on with this first. This is the Mighty Patch. So it's from Hero Cosmetics. There's 6 patches in here, and this is $4. The full size 39 patches is $17.99 if you guys really enjoy this. So it's made of plant-based hydrocolloid, a natural fluid absorbing gel. These patches quickly and effectively combat breakouts, suitable for just about every skin type. They'll go unnoticed as they reduce the look of pimples in 6 to 8 hours. That's great. As a pro tip, it says after cleansing, apply 1 patch over a pimple, remove when patch turns white. So my boyfriend gets pimples every now and then and again on his face, so I know he's going to be using that. Then we have another little mask here. So we have 2 masks actually from Wolf Project, and this is single ones, obviously. So singles are worth $5 and a 5-pack is worth $25. So hydrating face sheet mask and a detox mud face mask sheet, which that one's $29.50 if you get a 5-pack, and they're worth $6. So the hydrating one here, 95% natural skincare sheet mask, is made of bamboo, charcoal, and soaked in a serum that penetrates in the deep layers of the skin. The anti-aging and hydrating formula contains powerful ingredients including aloe, hyaluronic acid, vitamin B3, and tea tree extracts. So it says to place on face after cleansing for 10 to 15 minutes, pat remaining serum into skin. And then here we have the Detox Mud Face Mask Sheets. This 95% clay-based face mask sheet mask cleanses and detoxifies your skin. It's made with a blend of kaolin and bentonite clays to help absorb excess sebum and to remove blackheads naturally while providing nutrients to the skin. So I think he's going to enjoy them, whether my boyfriend would like to admit it or not. He does face masks and he does enjoy them. If a man says he doesn't, he's lying to you. Anyways, then we have this little scent here. This is from Viktor and Rolf. This is the deluxe size, which is worth $3. Full size is $90. This is Spice Bomb Infrared Eau de Toilette. So this new fragrance for men was inspired by the intensity of a red habanero chili pepper with a sharp piercing burn. Oh, wow. Around this fiery pepper, red berry oil and tobacco create a halo of blazing warmth and magnetism. Wow. I already have another scent that I sprayed on me from another Glossybox, but it smells good. So we're going to have to give that one a try in real life. Maybe we'll spray it later because I probably won't smell like this. Next up we have from For All. It's a full-size product. It retails for $34. Hair Love Regeneration Elixir. So this powerful formula supports scalp health to provide a better environment for hair growth, giving you thicker and fuller looking hair. It assists in reducing the effects of damage to follicles while restoring a healthy appearance. Ooh, okay. So top tip is apply 2 to 4 drops directly to the scalp and massage lightly on either wet or dry hair daily. He's gonna love that, especially, you know, I think he's going to really like that, especially if I'm the one massaging it into his hair. He's going to be like, yeah, please massage that oil into my hair. And then we also have this Verso Eye Cream Extra Nourishment. This is a deluxe mini, which retails for $21 and the full size is $60. This rich formula nourishes and moisturizes the eye area to ensure a robust skin barrier and healthy hydration level for soft, smooth, and supple skin. It owes its potency to a combination of fermented oat and hyaluronic acid boosting yeast extract. So yeah, I do put some eye cream under him. I've been using the e.l.f. one and I've been using that for him, and I will try this one. And then we have another For All product. This is also full size, retails for $44. This is the Skin Refresh Post Hair Removal Tonic. Shaving can often take a heavy toll on the skin, especially if done on a regular basis. Elevate any post-shaving irritation with this tonic that helps smooth razor burn and prevents ingrown hairs and razor bumps. Another product that I know my boyfriend is going to use and absolutely love. And then we have one more product in here. Yeah, okay, so this is the last product. This is a Regeneration, which is the brand. It's a full size, retails for $38.16. So it's a CBD beard, brow, and mustache growth solution. Okay, he's gonna love this because he does put beard oil in his beard. So it's designed to work with all skin types. This cannabidiol infused formulation is a natural way to help support fuller looking facial hair and brows, infused with CBD and again and plant stem cell formulas. The solution will stimulate hair growth in no time. I can tell you he's not going to be needing that at all for his eyebrows. So this is what it looks like. So I'm going to give you a clip and in the video here of my boyfriend unboxing this, so I'm going to let him unbox it for himself later, and I'm going to play the clip, and yeah, thank you guys so much for being here and watching. Can't wait for him to open these. I know he's going to enjoy himself getting a little gift, and yeah, I hope you guys do the same and gift, you know, your loved one a nice little gift like this. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!